In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes and reset the display settings of an element in Webflow. If you've made adjustments on your website and realize that you need to revert some changes, don't worry. Just follow along and we'll get everything back in order. First, we need to open Webflow. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific site where you need to undo the changes. If you have multiple projects, you can find them listed on your dashboard, so select the one you're working on with a simple click. This will bring up the main design interface where you do all your editing and adjustments. Now that you have your site open, let's identify the element that you want to adjust. You might be looking at a section, a div block, or any other component that you've modified and want to change back. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific item. This can sometimes take a brief scan through your layout, but once you spot it, click directly on the element. You'll notice that when you select it, the element will be highlighted in your workspace, confirming that you're ready to proceed with making changes. Next, focus your attention on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the Style panel resides. It offers a suite of customization options that let you modify various aspects of your element's design. But for now, we are interested in undoing the previous changes. Within the Style panel, you're going to look for the Layout section. Under Layout, you'll find a property called Display. This setting controls how your element is displayed on the page. It's a significant part of your element's appearance and structure. To undo the changes you've made to this element, you're going to want to reset the display setting. Fortunately, this is simple. In the drop-down menu next to Display, you'll see an option labeled Reset. Clicking Reset will revert your element back to its default display property. It's like a quick undo for just that particular setting, helping to restore the look you might have altered through previous edits. And there you have it, a straightforward way to undo specific changes in Webflow by focusing on the display settings of any individual element. Keeping a clear eye on the Style panel will help maintain control over how everything appears on your site. I hope this walkthrough makes the process much simpler for you. If you have further questions or need additional assistance with Webflow, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be here to help you craft your perfect site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.